welcome to Putty and Paint. Today is insulation day. We're gonna be putting in cellulose. Not that kind of cellulose, but you know what I'm talking about. It is a higher R value than actually foaming your home. And it's a lot less restrictive than doing insulating foam. So that way I can just move it around if I need to do something. Apparently it's greener. I don't know what the hell that means. Based on my square footage, I needed 42 bales of cellulose. Now, I kind of went a little heavier and we got 50, but might change my mind because I'm thinking about insulating the garage once we start that project. But as of right now, we're going with at least 40. We got this super old blower, and we're hoping that it's gonna do the job, because let me tell you, it does not feel very strong. But you know, I guess this is gonna be one of those learn as you go moments, and hopefully we don't learn the hard way, because this is gonna be freaking terrible.
It's 12:30. Can we start?
Yes we can. Break time, beer 30. Yeah. Okay. Holy shnikes, bro. I am not very flexible. All right, hit it. All right, so far so good.
Coming not too fast, not fast enough.
No, that's actually a very good speed. I don't know what the hell they're thinking about 40 bales though.
Because you still have your older insulation up there, that's why.
Oh dude, it's barely covering shit. Hey, do you have the door only partially open?
Yeah, it's only halfway open.
Go ahead and open it all the way.
There you go.
Alright, let's see how it goes.
We're trying to get this shit to go down still.
Oh yeah.
Good or no?
So far, I actually can't believe how good this is going.
Don't jinx it.
Yeah, you don't lie. Alright, stop feeding.
I'm not feeding it. You want to turn it off?
Yeah, turn it off.
Stop.
Check. Alright, hit it.
So good?
Yeah, so far.
So.
All right, so the insulation up here is not terrible in some places, but over here, as you can see, and this is the vast majority of the attic space, where that is like next to nothing. Those are 2x6s, and I mean 1 inch thick maybe in some spots. I mean, dude, that is not insulating anything. So afterwards, after blowing it in, as you can see, that is much better, much thicker, as it should be. Right, so I'm gonna migrate around. I'm gonna do my best to film this, but we'll see how it goes.
Good?
Yeah. All right, go ahead and kick it back on.
Going.
Going. All right, hit it.
Oh, somebody's having a cigarette.
I wish. Fuck was out there, bro. Fucking everywhere.
Swear. Hey, well, you're fucking inconsistent fucks for me, so that's all that matters at this moment.
I feel like you already ripped you half the out.
Because I have.
We only use like 6 bags, 7 bags.
Are you fucking for real?
That's why you get a free rental when you only get 20 bags. And usually 20 bags for the whole house.
Yeah, no shit. Alright, hit it.
Alright, bro, we can keep it to my house.
No shit.
Already paid for it. Thank you.
Alright, hold it there. Alright, hit it. I mean, look at the difference between here and then over there. That's crazy. Do you know how hard it is going to be to walk up here now? I can't see shit. Oh, it just looks like a big goddamn pillow.
Mine says
Yep. Alright, hit pause. Hit it.
so that's
Yeah.
that. We're calling the first bag.
What's that?
I said, we're calling the first bag.
Yeah. Man, it's thick as fuck. It's gonna so suck to come out here if I have to do any work. Pause.
Alright, now there's the after. Much thicker. It's right about 2 feet thick. I did leave that corner open back there because that's where all the electrical goes down into my panel. And a few boxes I left uncovered, but not too bad, not too bad, except for the mess I made in my closet, which totally sucks. Well, it seems like I grossly miscalculated the amount that we needed, because we is done. And yeah, we got 29 bales left.
Somebody don't know math.
I'm gonna blame you, Sanctuary by Greenfiber. Actually, it would be Greenfiber. Your calculator on your website is grossly off. So all in all, it took probably start to finish about 2 hours from the time we unloaded the insulation to setting up, to pulling up the hose, to starting blowing, and ending blowing, cleaning up. I mean, it was about 2 hours. Now, Greenfiber has their calculator on their website to put in the square footage, the thickness that you want, the R value of the area where you live at, and it was so unbelievably off. It gave me 40 bales. I went with 50, thinking I'm gonna go a little thicker than what they suggest, and we used 20. And it gave me, like I said, right around a foot and a half in some places of thickness of cellulose. And but the blowers, to my surprise, I mean, it barely put out any air downstairs, but it was more than enough. And it was a free rental. I got 20 bales, and Home Depot gave me a free rental on it, and that was pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. But all in all, I was very happy with the outcome. This was my first time blowing in cellulose. I have blown in fiberglass, but this was my first time. Dude, wear a mask. Like, not just those chintzy little white mask. Wear a like $50 mask. Like, I got the 3M one. Holy crap, I have to throw the filters away. They're smoked, and those usually last a while, and they were completely and utterly smoked. Like, I was having trouble breathing toward the end because the filters were plugged. It was that bad. So if you do blow in cellulose, filter, extra filters. Take your time. Do not do this without a filter on your face. That is absolutely insane. It is so crazy dusty. Do not. I repeat, for your own safety. Otherwise, you're going to come out the other end with lung cancer. I guarantee you. So, yeah. But all in all, I hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to smash that like button and also subscribe. I really appreciate it. Share this video, man. Leave a comment. It helps out the algorithm for us. Helps us grow this channel. Helps us do more projects a little bit quicker. Until next time, you guys stay safe, and I love you.